Most people who own security cameras don't actually know how to manage them. They install them, turn them on, and simply let them run. But they never take the time to understand what these cameras are truly capable of. They don't explore the settings, they don't configure them correctly, and in many cases, they don't even know which features are active. This seriously limits the effectiveness of your system and, over time, can lead to performance issues or unexpected failures. In this video, we're covering the common mistakes people make with security cameras, simple errors that seem harmless but can compromise your reliability. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last mistake is the most critical, and it's the #1 cause of system breakdowns. The first mistake is using low-quality or unreliable storage. Many people try to save money by buying cheap SD cards or hard drives, but here's the catch. Many of these products are counterfeit. They might look legitimate, but they often fail randomly or corrupt your video files. When you actually need that footage, you might find it was never saved at all. Always verify your storage. In future videos, I'll show you exactly which tools to use for these tests. The second mistake is treating security cameras like ordinary gadgets. These are critical devices that deserve attention. It's not a good idea to depend entirely on third parties for every little thing. If an emergency happens, a technician might not be available. By understanding your cameras and learning how to fix small issues yourself, you stay in control. They are too important to be treated casually. Mistake number 3, ignoring built-in alarms. Most cameras have essential notification functions, like the storage failure alarm. If your drive fails, you aren't recording, period. Knowing this immediately allows you to fix it before an incident occurs. The same goes for video loss alerts. If a camera stops sending a signal and you don't notice, your security is compromised. Now, for the most critical mistake, unplugging your cameras directly from the power source without a proper shutdown. This is incredibly common, but dangerous. If the camera is writing system settings or firmware data when the power is cut, the files can become corrupted. This leads to software errors, unstable behavior, or a completely bricked device. Always use the system's shutdown command before pulling the plug. Avoiding these mistakes will greatly improve your system's long-term stability. If you want to master your security setup and avoid common pitfalls, subscribe and check out our other guides. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.